Hello, this is Daryl. Um, I want to talk about something that I always wanted to talk about, something that I always been in my mind since I was like, um, I'm gonna say 11, 12 years old, and or maybe earlier, like 9, 8, 10. Um, so I want to say that it started off with I call her Angela, and it started off with that. So and I have just now come to see that first of all I was talking about my wishing, what I wished, and how I've been talking to communicating with I'm gonna say this like um, well each world, each planet, each constellation, there's there there, and I didn't actually see the I didn't see the guy. Well, I'm gonna say twin flame. I didn't see him until I was I'll say 16, about oh 06. And I was walking on the street and I saw the house because he had a twin whatever in my head, and I saw him staring like as if he was staring at her, and then and I heard a song called Just Breathe. Breathe. It's called Breathe by 2 a.m. Um, anyways, so I was when I anyways the five worlds I call it five worlds because I don't think this is a world anymore. I think this is an ugly world, and they keep intervening, keep stopping stuff, and it's ridiculous. So so I just say um um okay, so the world, well, anyways, they're different worlds and they all hooked up, and it's interesting because what I was saying 21, 22. Can't remember what year how I was. I actually said that, um, and I went to the hospital. I went to the fucking hospital, and and my sister threw the fucking book in the fucking trash when I wrote it in. And why did and my auntie came over, my great aunt came over there and said, throw that away, whatever like that. And then she got it back out the trash, and then I guess what she saw, that it hurt me, and put it on top of the stairs, um, whatever. And then we just sitting up there. I was in the hospital, and, she kept, anyways, I guess she threw it in the trash before I got home. Um, but I'm just saying because this lady who's well, I don't know, bring her up since she's been watching me since I was little, whatever. And how she got inside my head and wanted to just have fun, do stuff, and destroy stuff. And and then I was walking down the street, you know, the other day, like I said, like 3 days ago, and then and I heard something say, well, we wanted you to have, uh, um, well, challenges, but given that I already had an obstacle being born, whatever, I already had an obstacle, that obstacle dealing with that one, um, and then um. it's just like they all hooked up, and I was like, why are you still single? Basically, um, they're right there. I mean, it's weird. Um, one particular, I tried, tried to say, she tried to say, um, okay, he's right there. I said, so how do you like being? I don't know, whatever. I say beauty queen. Um, how you deal with it? I said she's very uncomfortable. So that's what. So I got that right, the vision right. Um, so I'm not one of those just jealous of that. So I'll never be. Um, but here it's like weird because they like cracked in my head, and they like worshiping. They worshiping you. You know that, right? Here, I don't know they worship me there, right? But here they were worshiping you. I said, but how are you bypassing me? This doesn't. It's kind of weird. You're trying to hurt me or something. I don't know. Um, so I mean, I don't care if they see people feel sorry. That's why. Okay, anyone seen internal um, spotlight of a internal sunshine of a spotless mind? Mm. I like how the doctor could remove it from their brain if they didn't want it in the brain. Um, anyways, and another one. Well, it's not really. It's more about schizophrenia part. Like these people in my life, like it's all schizophrenia stuff because they don't appear. I mean, I can go into a store and talk to a book for hear a voice that behind a book. I mean, it's kind of stupid, silly right now. So I guess you saw that. Um, well, no, whatever. But yeah. So this is what I say about that. And I like to say, I don't want to expose this part, but because um, it doesn't matter because I mean, I don't know. It might not matter now because I think Breathe told you. I don't know who wrote that song, but it told me basically. So mm, it must have been just coincidence. But I don't think I think the gods are just up there in the sky. Sky God is sitting there like, okay, I'm just going to see this how this works. See it. Um, just see, you know, and not really intervening, but just I don't know. Well, when I be crying, they really do be crying with me. Um, so um, yeah. So the well, I don't want to call this a planet anymore. I think this is just for scraps. Just whatever. Um, so um, yeah. Um, my mascara is coming off. But yeah. So my name is Daryl. Darrell. And I actually looked up and said it could be androgynous. And the D, I don't like the D because I mean, it's like my dad's name, and it's like um, like I keep thinking of negative to it, like um, like grades, like a grade, or I'll say it like devil or demon. Okay. So I like to say Ariel, the um, Ariel, because like well, my spirit guides is um, well, I think well, someone said that, but like mermaid, like but I don't. I think it's both. Um, um, anyways, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get into the next part of it. Now, the guy, I call him David, and this is the guy every woman wants to sleep with. They want to sleep with him for some reason, you know. And I said, well, where did they get that from? Is it just him? I know my mind is like that too. Well, in the other worlds, I see it like that. Um, yeah. So I said that, and I'm not gonna change anything because I said that song right there told me right there. So I was like, and they keep and whatever the movie. I'm gonna say Beautiful Mind people. They keep wanting me to say, just go back, just go back, just go back, just go back. Like, just kill yourself, just kill yourself, just kill yourself. Well, I got my answer. 'Cause basically, they hear, but they're not here. That's what I'm trying to say. So, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I mean, it's just, it's just really personal to me. It's like when I was making those videos, like before, this was all like all in my head. I didn't say nothing about it. I didn't tell my mom didn't even know. I was trying to tell her, but I knew how to react to it, so I did not tell her. Um, well,